County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 1 a.m. At 12:18 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Romeoville to near Joliet to near Shorewood, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Joliet, Cicero, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Irwin, Oak Park, Romeoville, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Blue Island, Alpine, Brookfield, Mokina, Hinsdale, Lemont, and LaGrange. For your protection, move to an interior